Remember this. Everything that you have ever experienced in your entire
Is that that guy from Cheers?
Yeah, that's like Sam Malone guy.
Actuality. All things, too,
He
that are
butthead.
knowable.
Check out his
will be
eyes.
realized.
That's cool. I can do that. Check this out.
Bikini girls with machine guns.
Yes.
Whoa.
This rules.
Well, I've been a drag racer in Tennessee, and I rode bareback on I even had a gorilla on the slopes of Kismet, and man,
Whoa.
for a while you bet, but bikini girls with machine
Cool.
Yeah. This video has bikini girl and machine gun.
Yeah. And you can see their cleavage.
many foreign kinds of delicacies, intoxicated till I can't tell what the hell I
Is this that Iggy Pop dude?
No way. This guy can kick Iggy Pop's ass.
Yeah.
Bikini girls with machine guns. Bikini girls with machine guns. I will tell you, it's a loaded with body. Bikini girls with machine guns.
Whoa. He's got a mic in his mouth.
Bikini girls with machine guns. Bikini girls with machine guns. Bikini girls with machine guns.
If only all videos could be like this.
Yeah.
That would be cool.